Picture yourself in the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, alarm, running boards, side steps. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.